Good morning, class. It is I, your teacher, Miss Athena Bambina. I hope you are all having a great day today. Today's class, I will be teaching you many things. Now, if you are a super smarty pants, this might be very easy for you, but I hope this is relaxing and fun nonetheless. Now, very surprisingly, I was sent a math problem this morning because I'm a math teacher. A student wanted to test me on my math skills, and I answered the problem correctly. When I gave the problem to other students, none of the students got it correct. I am very frustrated, so I have my ruler out for all of you. Grrr! Just kidding. I'm going to help you all today with some math puzzles, and we're going to learn a lot. So let me know if the volume's good, if you would like some music. And remember, the bell does not dismiss you. I do, and you need to raise your hand if you have to go to the bathroom. So thank you, everybody. Let's see. Roll call. Thank you. Batsy, Juan, Ruki, Michael, DonDoe, Schizo, Smithy, Waifu, Matthew, Roland, Lucio, Carrie, Empress, David, Ferrari, and Annabelle for attending class today. I appreciate you all. Oh, and Dirt and Metal for attending class today. Thank you very much. Good morning, Miss Athena. Why, thank you, Roland. Oh, so sweet. Prize student. Oh, Empress. Hello, Miss Bambina. Oh, prize student. Can I sharpen my pencil? I don't know. Can you? Maybe you gotta reword it. Say, may I sharpen my pencil? And then I will. Aw, thank you so much, Miss Takoi. No, bad connection, bad. I have my ruler out for you, Bambina Sensei. You left an apple on my desk. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you. All right, class. Let's get right into it. Remember, if you have a question, please raise your hand, and I will help you all. Thank you, everybody, so much for being in my class today. Now, let's actually do a short prayer. In Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Dear Lord, thank you so much for blessing me with people coming to my class today. Thank you for providing us with food, water, shelter, and I rebuke any and all demons by the blood of your Son, Jesus Christ, Yeshua HaMashiach, trying to harm us, mentally, physically, or spiritually. Amen. And with our Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. All right, class, let's get into it, shall we? Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is PEMDAS. Now, is this prayer allowed in the classroom? This is a Christian school, okay? Don't make me get my ruler and beat you like a nun, okay? Christian school. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is PEMDAS. Now, if you're too smart for this, maybe you should go to the advanced class. But this is for the special students who need a little help or just want to recap their math skills. And thank you, everybody, for showing up. I really do appreciate it. Now, what does PEMDAS stand for? Let's write an equation for you right here. If I have, making it up on the fly, 1 plus 3 times 4 minus 6 divided by 7 equals X. Is this special ed? Well, we're all special, okay? We're all special. So I guess it is special ed. Let's make it a little bigger. Can you guys see now? Class, you can see? Okay, there we go, class. And then we're gonna do the riddle. PEMDAS isn't a thing outside the USA. No wonder nobody heard of it. They all got the answer wrong. No wonder. You guys don't even know PEMDAS. This is Bidmos the Antichrist, Miss Athena. No demons are allowed in this classroom. Okay, class. No funny business, class. Oh Oh, we had BIDMAS in school, I remember. Wait, what? That's what they taught you? All right, don't worry. It doesn't have to be hard, guys. So PEMDAS is AKA order of operations. Now, this is how they told us to remember it when I was in school, is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Excuse her from what? I don't know. Maybe she finished her dinner early. But let's do this. Now, the first thing in the PEMDAS is parentheses. Let me add parentheses to one thing. There we go. Parentheses. So the first thing we have is we look at our problem. Do we have anything in parentheses? Yes, we do. We have 6 divided by 7. So we're going to leave that as 6 over 7. Or we could be precise and put it in decimal, which would be about 0.885 or 6 if we're going to round up. Well, thank you so much, waifu. Thank you so much. My wonderful student, PEMDAS. Morbus. Let's actually make it 0.86. So we get 1 plus 3 times 4 minus 0.86 rounded. Miss Athena, what does the star symbol mean? Well, I'm going to let you know. We have right here some of the things that people use for when they solve math problems. Well, thank you so much, Roland. It's very, I decided to do it since it's calmer. We have the slash sign, which can be used for division. We also have this sign right here, or this sign that can be used for division. Well, thank you so much, Empress, my star student. You're all star students, but are you bribing me for good grades? Are you bribing me for good grades? Oh no, Athena's morbing. No. Miss Athena is not morbing. Only after class, not on school hours. Opens candy bar wrapper. Excuse me! Dawn, you need to throw that in the trash right this instant. There is no eating in my classroom. You will starve like a good student. Just use fractals. I would use fractals, but we'll make it a little easier for people here. What's up, Brett? And what's up, Wasabi? This is advanced stuff, guys. Come on, I learned this in 2nd grade. Come on now, be good students. Now, the next thing we have is exponents. We don't have any exponents in this equation. Exponents would be like to the power of 2, for instance. And here is the symbol for to the power of. Well, this is called a caret in mathematics. Okay, everybody understand? Thank you. And we'll get to these symbols much more when we need to. This star symbol, I forgot to add it here, can also be used to as multiplication. We have right here this dot, which can symbolize multiplication, or things in these parentheses, or you can use X, but not a lot of people use X because, as I put here, letters can equal variables if you don't know what something is. As I've said right here, this equation equals X, so we don't know what this would be. So that's why it's a variable right now. I need to go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom. Hey, one at a time. I have to give you the hall pass. Okay. Waifu, you asked first, so you get the hall pass to go to the bathroom. And then when you're back, you have to hand it to Annabelle. This is what it was like when I was in school, okay? You have to hold it. You have to hold it right now. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being in class. We got a couple late students arriving, but that's okay. So, the next thing is multiplication and division. Yes, we actually have hall passes. Now, even though the M comes before the D in this problem, these are actually interchangeable. Depending on the problem you have, if division comes first in the problem, then you do division first. But if multiplication comes first in the problem, then you do multiplication first. So we did the division here because it was in parentheses, remember? So now we have to do multiplication first. It is 3 times 4, so let's add that, okay? 1 plus, everybody knows it, right? 12 minus 0.86. I don't have a pencil. You don't have a pencil? It's okay. I will allow pen. I will allow pen just for this special occasion. Is this class a bully-free zone? Because I want to bully the nerd. Hey, I will bully you with this rule if you bully anybody else. This is a bully-free zone, mister. Oh, yes, so true, Carrie. They say, if you say, can I go to the bathroom, they say, can you? I don't know, can you? You have to say, may I? And then they'll allow you to use the restroom. So we have that. Next thing we have in our problem is addition and subtraction. Now, same with multiplication and division. These can be interchangeable. So, I lost my whiteout. You should have used pencil. You should have been prepared and had a pencil. So, which one comes first in the problem? It is, of course, addition. If the subtraction was first, we would do that first, but it's addition first. So, we'll do 13. Well, thank you so much, waifu. I very much appreciate that. Bribing me for good grades, are you? But thank you very much. Back from the bathroom, here's the pass. Thank you. No problem. I hope you had a good pee. And make sure you write down these notes fast because you missed a lot of good info. You said it was okay to use pens. I said it was okay to use pens, but if you make a mistake, that's on you. You just gotta scribble it out. Okay, so we have 13 minus 0.86. This seems to be less of Athena teaching maths and more like role-playing. What do you mean this is not teaching you math? I'm literally teaching you the problem right now. I am an actual teacher. It was a poo. What the? That is way too much information. Do not make me get my ruler. This is a Christian school. I do not need to know about your business. Do we have to bid on who gets the hall pass? No. The hall pass is empty right now, so you can use it. You can use the hall pass if you need to use the bathroom. But hey, if a lot of you are using the bathroom one after another, I'm starting to think maybe you don't want to be in my classroom. All right. So we have 13 minus 0.86, which would make our answer 12.14 is X. Now, does everybody understand this problem? Bambina Sensei, Roland is using his phone during class. Roland! I expected much better of you. Very bad. Hold on now. Psha, psha, psha. You must be good in my classroom. No phone. Are you such a zoomer that your brain can't handle actual mathematics? Shaking my head. You must learn in the Athena class. Roland, you will see me after school for detention. What if someone takes it and never comes back with it? They went to the void. This is a lot more serious than I thought it would be. I thought all the problems would be simple like the thumbnail. Well, this is what I'm showing you is what we're going to use to solve this this problem that was in the thumbnail. Hate zoomers. So that is how PEMDAS works. Okay, everybody? Everybody understand? Whoop! Excuse me. There. Now we're going to use PEMDAS and these symbols to solve the problem, okay? Let me know if you guys understand or if anybody needs help. I'll be honest with you, Bambina Sensei, I have no clue what you're on about. I can barely do basic maths. Well, this is basic maths. Don't worry, I'm explaining it step by step. You want basic maths? Okay. You can start by counting on your finger. If I have one, oh, that's very tiny. Hold on. Let's make it bigger so you can see. If I have 1 berry and I add 6 berries, you can count on your hand. I have 7 berries. Now, a lot of this will be memorization, but there is shortcuts around it. For instance, we have Athena, how can we calculate your cuteness? Are you trying to bribe me for good grades, Smithy? Thank you, though. Empress, thank you very much. You are... Thank you very much. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3 quick maths. Yes, you guys must learn your quick maths. This is 2nd grade maths, but I failed 1st grade. It's okay, don't worry about it. I'm here. I'm here to help you. Now, we're going to do something very simple because Don is a little special. That's okay. Okay. Are you going to... No, you are not learning Common Core math. I'm not a terrible, disgusting teacher. I'm a very good student. Very good... Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm sorry. I thought I was a zoomer there for a minute. I'm a very good teacher. Oriel, you know PEMDAS is actually wrong. It should actually be do P then E. Then do That's what I just said. Were you not listening in the class? I just said that. I just said that. Is this PowerPoint? This is MS Paint. This is high school maths in England. Dang, I guess Americans really are smarter. I think I know the answer, but is it rude to shout out in class? No, it's okay, but you tell me at the end what the answer is, okay? Because I want the other students to try to get it right. But if you get the answer right, I will pat you on the back. Okay, we have 21 plus 47. Now, this is very, very simple for people like DonDoe who don't know how to do basic multiplication. I'm not going to teach you the disgusting way Common Core teachers teach you now. Common Core teachers would be like, oh, this is actually 20 plus 1, and then you have to do blah, blah, blah. No. We're doing something very smarter. Very more smart. My bad. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the right to the left. We're going to add up all the numbers from the right-hand column. 1 plus 7 is 8. Now what we're going to do... Oh, can't really see it. Let me move it up a little for you. There we go. Let me make it a little smaller. Okay, there we go. Now, the next thing we're going to do is add up the numbers on the left side. 2 plus 4 is 6. So our answer would be 68. Now, what if we had, this is very simple, but this is for people like DonDoe. That's okay. I will help all my students. All my students are stars. Now, what would we do if we have something like 7 plus 7, which is 14? Would we make it x when 4? No, we would not. We would keep the 4, and we would carry the 1 over to the 4 and the 2. So 4 plus 2, of course, is 6. Add the 1, that would be 7. So that would be our answer for that. Do you understand, DonDoe? And you do the same thing with, well, kind of the same thing with subtraction. There's some other rules, but there we go. Athena, quick, what is 9 plus 10? And the answer is not 19. Well, some of the Zoomers in the class have told me that is indeed 21, but I'm not sure if I understand the mathematical formula for that. But are you all enjoying class so far? I actually just thought it would be fun to teach you guys something, so Now we're going on to the problem, the little Athena problem here. Thank you, DonDoe, for making this wonderful Athena edit. Okay. I gave this problem to students earlier, but I'm going to explain it. If you think you know the answer, write it down, and then we'll check at the end, okay? So we have x plus x plus x equals 30 for our first one. Oh, sorry, accidentally did equals plus. Okay. Now we know that x has to be the same number. So this is more of a mental math is what they call it. There we go. Excuse me! Are you falling asleep? Are you falling asleep, Marku? I see you dozing off. Bad, bad, bad. This is your first warning. Let's make it so you don't get detention now, okay? The answer is 30, but we're going to solve for x. So we have 3x equals 30. Now, how did I do that? Add the x's. 1x plus 1x plus 1x equals 3x. 3x equals 30. Now we're going to how do we get? We have to get x by itself. So we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. We have to do it to both sides to get x by itself. So we get x equals 10. Everybody understand that part? Does everybody understand that part? Also, let me know if I'm genuinely helping you. I'd like to know, or if this is just relaxing for you. I very much appreciate you all being here in class today. I really like helping you all. Thank you so much for being here. Oh, excuse me, class. Oh, class, excuse me. Heck nah. What the deer doing teaching pre-algebra? Get that deer out of the classroom, cuh. You know what, Yami? I'm thinking you need to have detention. I already have 3 students whose cards I have turned to red. Do I need to have any more? Raise your hand if you want detention, because you will be missing out on recess, okay? Teacher's voice is way too comforting, and she works so hard she get paid more, and she should raise my grade to an A+. Well, you have to work hard, and I'll see about raising your grade. Hi, I'm new to math. What is math? Math is mathematics, the study of numbers and problem solving and lots of fun stuff. So that's part 1. You know what, Athena? You stink. You know what, Yami? Class, rest of class, cover your ears. You are good. Cover your ears now. Yami, this is what you get. There, you get that and you get detention. What's up, Lee? I am literally spacing out and daydreaming just like I did in school. Well, at least it's cozy for you. Red card, back me back to elementary school. Okay, class, this is serious. Now, we finished step 1. Now we're on to step 2. And by the way, I need you to show your work, everybody. This is math class. Now, we know that Fumo Athena equals 10. Variable of Athena Fumo equals 10. So we have 10 plus x equals 20. 10 plus 2x, because there's 2 of them, equals 20. Excuse me, David, are you thinking of pornographic material in my all ages math class? You get more than detention. You get the ruler, you get detention, and you get suspended. Bad. DMV, they'll see you, and you're a little late, but that's okay. let me make myself clear. I do not have a problem. I am the problem. A kid bangs his head on his book, not understanding the book, and you think of me? No, I am the one who confuses. You don't have to be confused. I'm helping you all. Athena Spanish sucks. No. Mi español es sugoi. Mi español es sugoi, as well as my Japanese. My Japanese. Anyway, this is. Hey, I'm teaching math class, not Spanish class, okay? We'll do that next time. Okay, so we have to minus 10 on both sides to start getting x by itself. So we have 2x equals 10. Okay. Divide by 2, x equals 5. Ooh. Equals 5. Everybody understand? So we have Fumo Athena equaling 10. And we have, let's check our work. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. That's correct. 10 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. That is correct. Does everybody understand that? Makes sense? Okay. I'm helping you because a lot of people didn't really know this when I sent it in chat earlier. So once again, thank you everybody for being here to my class. I appreciate you. And if this is too easy for you, maybe you can just just zone out and relax and hopefully just fall asleep to my voice. Athena, the answer is fart because you farted. I do not fart. You guys, do I have to make the whole class sit inside for recess because you guys are acting up? Do I need to make the whole class sit inside for recess? No, I don't think so. So let's be good. Okay. Step 3. We have smiling Athena equaling 5. So 5 plus. Now this is a little tricky here. We have 2 raspberries. So instead of just x or 1x, it's the same thing. It is going to be 2x plus 2x equals 9. Now, the first thing we're going to do is add our x's. 5 plus 4x equals 9. Everybody understand? Excuse me, are you dealing out candies to my classroom? Yammy, you get detention. I am not messing around. I have never, in all of my years teaching, seen a class as disruptive as this. You do not want to make me call the principal, guys. I am very serious. Okay? Do not make me call the principal. Thank you. Now, we're going to have to get 4x by itself. So we're going to minus 5 on both sides. We can't just minus 5 from here. We have to minus 5 on both sides. That's just how. So we have 4x equals 4. X equals 1. 1x equals 1. So 1 raspberry will equal 1. Because if we have 5 plus 1 plus 1, that will just be 7. But we have 2. If 1x equals 1, then 2x equals 2. Because we add x plus x, the raspberries, so we get 2x. So we get 5 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So right here, x plus x equals 2. For both. So x is 1 if it's if alone. X equals 1 on itself alone. But if we have 2 of them, it will equal 2x. That seems explainable. Let's check our work. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 4, 2 plus 2 equals 9. There we go. Now, our final problem. Why is everything x? Because those are our variables. We don't know what it is. Those are our variables. If we don't know what something is, we can put x. We can also put y. Yeah. You know what? Actually, you're actually right about something. I shouldn't make them all x. It could be hard to distinguish. So this will be x, this will be y, and this will be z. Miss Athena, may I please go to the bathroom? What a wonderful student. Yes, of course you may, and here's the hall pass. Okay, but use different letters for different variables. I know, I just said that. So excuse me. Thank you for correcting me, class. We'll do x plus y plus z. There we go. I apologize. I dare someone to shoot a spitball at the teacher? I'll give them a 30% discount? What? Excuse me, I'm taking that away and I'm putting it in the trash can. Now. Okay, I'm going to fix everything for you guys. Oh, why is that not working? Okay, it won't let me do it, so you're just gonna have to keep it like that for next time. I'll use different variables, but I hope you understand. So now we have to look at our variables and just add them up because we have this. So Athena, our first x is 10. 10 plus single raspberry, which is z. We know that a single raspberry alone is 1. So 1 times, sorry. 10 is Athena. Smiling Athena, y is 5. 5 plus 1. You guys are distracting me. It's hard to teach when you're distracting me, okay? I apologize. 5 plus 1 times Athena, x is 10. Equals, we'll put a question mark since you guys are confused with some variables. Whose math homework we are doing? We're just doing practice problems in the class. So, now we're going to look at PEMDAS. What comes first? We have the multiplication coming first and addition coming last. So we're going to do 5 plus 1 times 10. Anything times 1 is itself. So we have 5 plus 10. Do the addition. 5 plus 10 equals 15. And 15 is our final answer, class. Did everybody understand? Athena, someone gave me a note. Miss Athena Carey, but thank you. Athena, or Athena Sensei. Athena, somebody gave me a note that has a rude word on it. Excuse me, who did that, Carrie? Please tell me who did that, and I will take care of them. We're sorry we're so disruptive, Miss Athena. Some of us come from broken homes. Hey, well, you have a good environment here, so I don't want that excuse. Wait, there's a knife! A knife! School shooter alert, take cover. Give me that knife! That belongs in the cafeteria. Give me that knife. You are bad. Be a good student. Don't make me use this knife on you. Just kidding, class. Just kidding. Someone put gum on my chair when I was away. You guys are the most disruptive class. I am just trying to be a good teacher and help you. Can you please be good for me? Please, I'll give you the Shining Star student stickers at the end. I would appreciate that. I'm just trying to help you with math. Okay. So, that is our answer to the problem. Hope everybody understands. Teacher Sensei, Roland won't let me play Clash of Clans on his phone. Wait, Roland still has his phone? Roland, I am taking your phone right now. You get the ruler. Bad, bad, bad. Not only do you get detention, I am calling up the principal, so you will get suspended. Don't make me expel you for being on your phone, because I can and I will. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to teach you all is square roots, not square roots. I'm going to teach you squares and everything to carrots. Okay. So, let's say I have the number, we'll start very simple. Say we have the number 5. Oop, it's a little tiny. There we go, bigger. 5, caret. Now this is called a caret symbol. And if you look to my handy dandy chart to the left, this means to the power of. So we're going to do 5 to the power of 2, aka squared. Hey Athena, just popping in to say hi and God bless. Well, thank you so much, Dragon. You know, even if you couldn't make the class today, you're a star student, so thank you. Roland, I won't tell Athena about the other phone you have if you let me play Clash of Clans. Okay, guys. Okay, class, do I need to make it so nobody in class is allowed to talk? Because I will. I will also call the principal, Susan. I will call Principal Susan, and I don't think you guys want that. Now, this is safe school. You guys are just trolling me. There's no shooters at our school. Come on, guys. This is math class. I'm very frustrated. Everybody be good, or else I will play my recorder when you least expect it. I have my ruler. I will hit you just enough so you learn to obey, okay? I will give you detention. I will make you miss recess. I will expel you. I will suspend you. So everybody better be good. I am very serious. Where are my star students? 1 in chat if you're a star student. I need my star students. Okay. Now 5 squared. Now, what does squared mean? Now, squared means basically times itself 2 times. So that would mean 5 times 5. Thank you, my star students in the classroom. I appreciate you all so much. You guys get sticker at the end of class. If your card is green at the end of class, you will get a sticker. Do not make me turn. If it's yellow, you will get a pat on the back, okay? But if it's red, you get detention. Everybody, please behave. What did you do, Takoi? Okay, so 5 times 5, and we, of course, now, that's 25. Now, what if we have something like 9 squared? Hold on, I'm a boomer. I'm trying to find the caret symbol on my keyboard. See, back in my day, we would just write, okay, here we go, 9 squared. Now, I'm actually going to, am I a good noodle, Miss Athena? Batsy, you're a very good noodle. You didn't teach us how to count yet? On your fingers, one finger equals 1. Add another finger, 2, okay? No messing around. Shift 6, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to teach you guys an actual good trick that I actually still use to this day. It is called the you can do it up to 10, the 9 up to 90 trick. I'm going to show you the 9 up to 90 trick, okay? And basically this is a shortcut to 9 multiplication. So I will show you how this this works. Now, count your fingers, right? We all have 10. If you have less, this won't work for you. I apologize. We have 10 fingers. Now, let's say that we're trying to find out what 9 times 6 is. We are going to put down our 6th finger, so that would be the thumb on our right hand. Now, we have 5 fingers on our left hand and 4 fingers on our right hand, which means the answer, 9 times 6, is 54. Now, this is a wonderful trick that maybe some of you guys could understand. I mean the hand one, 9 times 6, so you put your 6th finger down, then combine the 5 and 4 to be 54. Yep! That's the trick I learned, and hopefully this will actually help some of you guys. Miss Athena, do we not have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs? A thumb is a finger, okay? No need to get smart with me, I allow smart students, not smart butt students, okay? Now, let's try if we can do 9 to the 3rd. Do you guys know how this would work? On our left hand, we're going to put down our 3rd finger. We have 2. The finger down represents a space, 2, and then we have 7. 27 times 3 is 27. Does everybody understand? Welcome, Spoonie. Athena, I have a cool trick to divide all numbers relatively quickly. Yes, tell me, please. Does everybody understand? Yeah, no smart Alex. Now, let's just do... Now let's do 9 times 9. That means we'll put down our 9th finger or our 4th finger on our right hand. We have 8 plus 1. We have 81. 9 times 8 equals, 9 times 9 equals 81. Which means that 9 squared is 81. Miss Athena, is it Miss Athena or Mrs. Athena? Okay, I'll write it down. It is currently Miss Athena. Miss Athena. Isn't Mrs. the same thing? I don't know. I'm not an English teacher, but it is Miss Athena, or you can call me Athena Sensei, or Teacher Athena. Athena. This is not a math-related question, though. Oh, it's not working. There we go, though. Now, the next thing we are going to do is, have it right here, I'm going to teach you a fun trick. This is something called Pascal's triangle. Why isn't it Mrs. Athena at your old age? Well, do you want detention? Do you want detention, huh? Don't be asking those personal questions. MS is for when you don't want to disclose if you're married or not. I see. Next thing I will be teaching you all is Pascal's triangle. Now, this is a really fun little trick. I'll explain to you what Pascal's triangle is before we do it. This is a triangular array of binomial coefficients that arises in the probability theory. So, you guys probably don't understand, but I will teach you. So, we have 1. Ooh, that's a very badly drawn 1. But I remember I had to do this in class. I had to finish rows of Pascal's triangle. So let's see if you can spot the pattern. That's a 2, class. Do you spot the pattern yet? It's a 3, 3, 1. And we'll do one last row. It is a pyramid, Roland, you're correct. But what's the cool thing about this? Do you guys know what the cool thing about this triangle is? What the cool thing about this is, so we have 0 here, right? And 0 here. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. Then we add it. 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, should add a 4. Oh, did I mess up? Oh, hold on now, class. No, I didn't mess up. There we go. All numbers are double the above number. You add them. For instance, 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 0, 1. So it will continue. When I was a student, we had to add to the pyramid. So what would come after this? Do you guys know? Type your answer. What comes after 1, 4, 6, 4, 1? I'm going to write it here, and then hopefully you guys will know the answer too. Yes, class, so smart. It is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And Sassy says it is used to determine the coefficients of polynomials. So smart. So the quadratic FOIL will give you a 1x squared plus 2xy plus 1y squared. So smart, Engineer Gaming. Wow, my star student. My star student. Now we're going to do something. Might be still a little easy. I'm going to give the problem 3 over 4 times 2 over 5 equals. So the problem I have here is we are going to multiply fractions. Okay, guys? We have 3 divided by 4, or 3 over 4, times 2 divided by 5, or 2 over 5. Now, how are we going to multiply these fractions? Does anybody have any idea? I will let you know. First, we need to multiply the 3 and the 2 on the top. So we get an easy 6. Then we are going to multiply the... let me get a little lower. Wow. There we go. Then we are going to... Then we are going to multiply 5 times 4, which is 20. 5 times 4, 4 times 5, same thing. Now we have 6 over 20. But the thing about math is that we must always simplify our answers. Best way to solve fractions, convert them into decimals. No. I did that at the start to make it easier to understand, but really, especially when you get to bigger and further math, we are not going to be using decimals at all with our fractions. It's okay that you brought toys to class, Betsy, if they're for stress, if they're like Rubik's Cube and stuff. Excuse me, Jack, are you vaping in my classroom? In my Christian classroom? Are you kidding me? Really? Give me that. Arrgh! I ripped it in half and I throw it on the floor. You get suspended. Okay, we'll do long division next. So, a thing I was taught was, obviously I'm pretty sure everybody will know how to simplify this, but when it comes to bigger stuff, I'm going to show you. Okay, you ready? Now this is called a factor tree. We need to know the factors of 6. 6 factored. I'll do a little arrow here. Teacher, when is recess? Recess is whenever I dismiss you. The bell does not dismiss you, I dismiss you. So 6. We have to count. What makes 6? We have 1. We have 1 and 6. And we have 2 and 3. So, the next part, you'll see, is we have 20. Now we're going to factor tree 20. Does everybody understand? Have I been helping you guys? I hope you are good at this. I hope you are having fun. We have 1 and 20. Next we have 2. It's even, so it's divisible by 2. Basically, factor trees, what is it divisible by? Okay? We have 2 and 10. Oops, sorry, my bad. 2, 10. 20 is not divisible by 3 because it does not add up to 3. 2 plus 0 is 2, not 3. What's long division? I will teach you after this, Carrie. Teacher, do you have a gun? I do not have a gun, no, but I am strapped at my home at all times. But don't worry, everybody here is Christian. There are no possible shooters. Everything is going to be good. Are you guys actually enjoying... Okay, I'm going to break immersion just for a little bit. Are you guys actually enjoying this? Because, like, you guys are just, like... I know you guys are making jokes, and it's funny, but I want to know if I'm actually helping you. I want to know, am I actually doing this for nothing? I want to know, is this, you know, like, do you find this relaxing, or are you learning at least a little something from this? Because I've always wanted to be a teacher, you know? I've always wanted to just help people. So even though you guys are really joking, I really want to know, is this actually helping, or are you actually enjoying this? And then so sorry for breaking immersion a little bit. Yes, oh, thank you. I'm enjoying it. It's good to learn and freshen up my math. Yeah, it's great. Thank you. Teaching for free. It's difficult to do online classes. Oh my goodness, could you imagine this over a Zoom call? That would be terrible. Relaxing and nice. Half the chat's being helped, half of us are insane. Sounds typical. Very relaxing, good teacher. Thank you. I'm enjoying it. I forgot everything about math. I relax with your streams after a day of college. Well, thank you, Mr. Takoe. You know, I haven't seen you a lot, so thank you. Weekend RP. I am, well, I don't know if it's RP. Like, I guess I'm role-playing teacher, but I want to be an actual teacher, so I don't even think this is roleplay. It's just me actually helping you guys. I mean, I just like helping people. Refresher, I don't use, nice refresher, I don't use advanced math much. Well, I don't think this is much advanced math. This can help you if you're in retail. This can help you with a lot of things. So I hope everybody enjoys. Now, next thing we're going to see is 4. Is 4 divisible? Is 4 a factor of 20? Yes, it is. 4 and 5. So, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see I'm selling Adderall. Okay, very, very bad. Very, very bad. Now we're going to simplify 2. Okay, this would actually be easier if I did it with a brush. Okay, so okay, ready? 20. 10. You guys see this? 10 to, oop, hold on, let me bring this up. Hi, Prentice. Check general. Okay, well. Oh, remainders. Wow. I'll do that next. Thank you so much. This is elementary school math. You know what, Carrie? Some people in this don't even know the math I'm doing now. This is for all ages. So you can just daydream. This is called factor trees in America. Then we have 5 and we have 2. So 2 times 2, 5. Then we have 6. 3 times 2, 2, 2, 2. So, we have 3 for the 6 and 20, 10. So it would be 3 over 10. Everybody understand? Everybody understand? Yes or no? Because we take the factor they both have in common. They both have 2 in common, so we divide them by 2. So if you need help simplifying very long stuff, you can do factor trees. I'm doing a very easy problem as an example, okay? Oh, and if you're watching the VOD and you're a math teacher, let me know how I did. Athena, teach us about supply and demand. I don't think that my math is a little bit a graphics table would be good. Sorry, all I have is MS Paint class. Miss Athena, I can't understand your handwriting. That's why I'm saying it too, my friend. What is PEMDAS? We went over it at the beginning, but into how we solved the thumbnail problem. But I'll tell you again real quick. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, but these are whatever order it comes in. So I hope that understands. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, class, is long division. Which Sassy actually recommended. So let's see. Whoop. Let's get a long division problem. And I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, here we go. 4. Okay. 8. 7. 6, 4. Oop. 6, 4. Divided by 4. Next, we are going to learn long division, class, okay? I will show you how we do this. Miss Athena, can you teach us about the Pythagorean theorem? Sure, next I will, next I will. But I'm not the best at you. Oh, hard division, not long division, but it still works. Okay. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is... Does 4 go into 8? Class? Yes. Athena, Miss Athena, when are we proving that math, Carrie, I'm a math teacher. Maybe you want to go to a boy math teacher for that, Carrie. I don't know if I know this one. Yes, 4 does go into 8. Thank you. It goes into 8 4 times. I mean, 2 times. My bad. So, goes into 8. Whoop. Now we're going to do that 0, and now we're stuck with 07. Does 7 go into 4? Oh, no, 07, sorry. Wait, oh my gosh. Hold on, class. Okay, class. Okay, class. 4 goes into 7 1 time. So we'll put the 4 here. I really forgot all about this, class. Don't worry, I remember now. So we have 3 as our remainder. Now we are going to bring down the 6. So we can see, we know that 4 goes... There we go. Wait. Wait. Wait, I think I messed up teaching. Oh my gosh. Okay, class. I'm sorry, class. I was looking at this other thing. They made it so frustrating to understand. Haven't messed up before saying 7 goes into 4. Yeah. I messed that up. It does not. So since it doesn't, we brought down the 7. Wait, what? Athena Sensei, I'm confused. I'm sorry. Can we skip this? Oh, I'm the worst math teacher. Please forgive me. Oh, no. I'm a bad math teacher. I don't like long division because 4 doesn't clearly go into 7, but it goes into 300. I know. I looked it up and I was like, is this like the Common Core way? I was like, I don't understand this. Okay, try hard division like I posted. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Miss Athena, I can do that problem for you. I know how to do it, but explaining it is a little frustrating. We'll get back to it. I'm really sorry. Okay, now we're going to learn how to divide simple numbers. We just need to continue dividing the remainder. Now, suppose we have... Yeah, it was the Common Core way. I was like, I don't remember this. Okay. 18 divided by 7. We must take 18 and find out how many 7s are in 18. The closest value with full 7s is 4. It is 14, leaving 4 left over. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So the first number is 2. What? I don't get this. I'm sorry. Guys, I need... I'm a terrible math teacher. Please forgive me. Forgive me, class. I'm sorry. I had a little bit of a woman moment. Please forgive me, class. It's hard when you're in the position to teach, okay? How about we do another... I don't know what to do. I'm really bad at this. Forgive me. We have only been doing this for an hour. I don't know what else to do. Yeah. You're right. It was just the way he... Okay. 18 divided by 7. We know that 7 goes in... The closest 7 can go is 7 times 2 equals 14. So we have 2 remaining 4. Or 2 and 4 over 7. You're right, class! We did it! Whew. Okay, we did it. Yay! Lohikimos! Okay. Now let's try something like 37 divided by... Where's the divided by sign? Okay, here we go. Divided by 4. We know that the closest 4 will go to 37 is 36, which is 4 times 8. So we have 8 remaining 1. So we have 8 and 1 over 4. 4 times 9, not 8. Did I say that? Oh no, I want to delete the stream. I'm the worst math teacher ever. I thought I was just kind of winging this. Does this make sense? Oh no, I don't know what else to teach. I'm so bad at this. Oh no, please give me an apple or something. I need my teacher energy. This is what you guys get for distracting me all class wrong. I'm so bad at this. I'm doing my best, okay? Please, I'm really, really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. We'll do something easy. How about we learn how to subtract? We learn how to subtract. Maybe you could switch to Bob Ross art class. Yes, sir. Blame the students. Athena, what's an inverse function? Hey, I'm trying my best, okay? I'm trying my best. Athena, what is the central limit theorem? Don't worry, you'll get your paycheck anyway. The education system doesn't care if we actually learn. I'm doing my best, okay? I'm doing my best. 71 minus 34. Now, we can't do 1 minus 4 without getting into negative numbers. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the right column. We're going to borrow 1 from the 7. So, I'll put, how do I do that? Okay, here we go. I got this. This, I'm going to put 6. And we're going to add a 1 here. Does everybody understand this? Now, we have 11 minus 4, which is 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, because we had to borrow 1 from the 7 in order to make 11, so we could do 11 minus 4, we have a 6 on the left side, which means we have 6 minus 3, or 37. Yay! Yay! Oh my gosh, I did it! What has happened to me? I used to be able to do calculus! This is why you should stay in school and not be a neat dropout like me. I apologize. Miss Athena, we only need to pass the test at the end of the year. Then you'll get a pay raise if we do good enough. We are smart. We're alone on our own, Miss Athena. No, it's okay. I need to help you. I actually am trying my best to help you. Central limit theorem. Okay, class, next. Wholesome teacher has a mental breakdown. Well, thank you. Next, we'll learn how to do long multiplication. Let's say we have let's say we have 54. I'm getting back on track now. We have 54. Sokotoa, I remember that. Next, we have 54. And we'll times it by 67, okay? Now, how are we going to solve this problem? Well, class, I will teach you how we solve this. Miss Athena, are we going to cover trigonometrical functions today? We're going to cover, it's a surprise! course, we'll cover whatever Athena wants to teach. This will help you. This will help you with retail, okay? I'm doing math that is practical for everyday people. Okay, please don't shame me. You guys are making me feel dumb, okay? I'm your teacher. You're supposed to be good students. I'm supposed to help you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our right-hand side. We're going to start with this 7. Here we go. We're going to start with this 7. The lower right numeral. We're going to make it first that we do right to left. 4 times 7. Does everybody know? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Yes, that is right, class. 28. We're going to put the 8 here. But instead of putting the 2 here, we are going to put the 2 here. To the 5. Does everybody understand? That's just how you do it in mathematics, okay? Now we're going to do 5 times 7, which is 35. Now we're going to add the 2 to it, which is 37. 378. Okay? My brain hasn't worked this hard in years. I'm trying. You guys are going fast. I'm teaching you how to do it. Now let's erase the 2. This can help you with doing your taxes or something. I don't know. I hate taxes, but this will help you with retail or if you need to calculate stuff, okay? Or you have any business. Now, we're going to move on to the next lower number. We only do the lower numbers, okay? The 6. Now, we're going to add a 0. This is just what you do. You add a 0 for every new number, okay? So if there was a 1 in front of this 6, the next time we would do 0, 0, and then do it, okay? So we're going to add a 0 because that's just what you do. I know, I hate taxes too. But I'm trying to think of what this could actually be practical for. My brain is small too. I just wrote out a thing about solving it, but I'm idiot dum-dum. No, you guys are great. You guys are amazing. We're going to see if your answer's correct. So now we do 6 times 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So smart, class. 4. Put the 2 above the 5. Athena Sensei, my dad says taxation is theft. Your dad is correct. Your dad is correct, but unfortunately this is not a politics class. This is a math class. Maybe next time. Now we do 6 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Add the 2. 32. Now we must add these to get our answer. 8 plus 0. 8. 7 plus 4. 11. Add the 1 to the 3. 3 plus 2. 5. Add the 1. 6. 0 plus 3. 3. Our final answer is 36. Hold on. How do I? Whoop. 3618 is our final answer. Whoop. Hold on. There we go. Final. Everybody get this? Yeah, Orsia got it correct. Yay! Good job, Orsia, my star student. Does everybody understand how we did that? I really like multiplication. I think multiplication and pre-algebra, algebra 1 are definitely my favorite. That's what I'm definitely the best at. Okay, everybody? Everybody understands that? If anybody has any questions, let me know. But that is how you do long multiplication. Pff, teacher's pet. Hey, being smart does not mean being teacher's pet. It's okay, Gigant. Welcome from being class. Athie teaching government class. Let me know what class I should teach next. I really like teaching you guys. Let me know if this is actually helping. I like helping you guys. Oria, thank you. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work with negative numbers. Now let's say I have 2 halves 2 and I get rid of 7. Oop. If I have 2 and I get rid of 7, now you might be saying, Miss Athena, it only goes down to 0. Well, you are actually kind of biology, so I can finally learn what a woman is. Miss Athena is a woman. 2 minus 7. But you might be saying, Miss Athena, it only goes down to 0. Well, it actually goes below 0. Just like how we have 0. Let me actually, here we go. Just like how we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we make it go backwards. We have 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So it's just like the same thing, except the numbers are backwards and you put the minus sign there, which means these are negative numbers. So if we have 2 minus 7, we know that 7 minus 2 is 5, but it's negative. So it would be negative 5. That is just my dog barking. Negative 5. Does everybody understand? I wonder if you guys are actually taking notes on some things. Does everybody understand? Miss Athena, what happens when you multiply a negative by a negative? I'm so glad you asked. We will do that now. By the way, fun fact. 0.0 ... 1 is bigger if... What? Oh, okay, we'll do that next. Simple. Okay, I was just making sure you guys understood. For instance, if we have... Oh, simple. Okay, then we'll do negative 165.4 plus... Oh, here we go. We'll do a minus 3452. It's okay, minus a surface talk. We have a negative number, and we're subtracting more numbers from it. So how will that work? Well, let me teach you a secret. If we're subtracting a negative number, you could also rewrite it like this. Hold on. Which has been helpful to me in the past. I send love from Israel. Shalom. Well, shalom. Have you heard about Jesus? He's really cool. But welcome to my math class. We'll do imaginary numbers soon, okay? So if we have negative 1, 6, 5, 4, we are actually adding negative 3, 4, 5, 2. It's the same thing. So that means it's basically just like adding this with this, but we have to keep the negative sign in front. So we have 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus carry the 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 11, carry the 1, 3, 4, 5. So this would be our answer, negative 501,096. Does everybody understand? Excuse me, Miss Athena, may I go to the restroom? Thank you so much for saying may I instead of can I. You may. Here is the bathroom pass. May I go to the May I go with you to the bathroom? What the heck? I know it's June, but this is not allowed in my classroom, okay? Thank you. So that's how we do adding negative numbers. Whoops. Next thing we're going to do is, what should we do next? Oh, we'll do square roots. Square roots are very interesting. If I have 91, it's supposed to be a 91 class, and I root it. Well, thank you so much, Prentice, my star student. Love and appreciate your videos, Athena. Keep it up and also bless you. Well, may God bless you too. Thank you so much, Prentice, and I see you're trying to get an A+ on that next paper, huh? Miss Athena, this isn't multiplying or dividing. This is addition. You said we'll do multiplication next. Sorry, I have a lot to keep up with. I'm trying my best. This is my first time teaching, okay? I'm sorry. I want to teach you about square roots. So this basically means square root, and if we put a 3 here, it will mean cube root, etc. We did the answer from earlier, look. Oh, ooh, guess not. We did the answer from earlier. What are you talking about, my friend? Did the negative numbers adding up? We did that. We just did that. But we'll make this a 2. Now, the square root of 91 is basically saying x squared equals 91, and we're going to be solving for x. So we, of course, know that that is wait. I messed up. 81. There we go. X to what power equals 81? And we, of course, know that that would be 9 is our answer. Everybody understand? The square root of 81 would be 9. Thank you. Okay, so that is how you do square roots. And if we had... What is the square root of 9? Good question! We have 9. This is a 9. Square root of 9 means x to what power equals 9? that would be 3. Wow, class, you're so smart. Look, I made the 3 a little happy face for you all because I'm so proud of you all. You all are such good students. Plus minus 3. Okay, smarty pants. Okay. Hey, Bolt, we can't do that around here. Somebody get rid of that. Miss Athena, can you show the cube roots while we're at it? Of course. What is the root of 3? I don't remember that at the top of my head. Okay. Now we're going to do cube roots. Well, thank you so much, Carrie. Miss Bambina. Oh, I've never heard Miss Bambina before. Everybody has been saying Miss Athena. Miss Bambina. Oh, I like the sound of that. Thank you, Carrie. I hope this will fix my grades. Well, thank you so much. And if you stop playing Clash of Clans on Roland's phone, that will help. But I'll see if I can sneak an A in there. Okay. Oh, you said Miss Bambina, Empress. Okay. My bad. Okay. Now we're going to do cube roots. 8. Third. So, the cube root of 8. What does this mean? Now, if we remember that the square root basically meant x times 2 equals that number, that means that x times x equals. So, let's think about this. What number times itself 3 times equals 8? Does anybody know? If 2 squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. That's right, class. Good job. It's 2. Miss Athena, can you do a bigger number? Fine, I'll do a bigger number just for you. I'll do a bigger number just for you. Here, we'll do some I had to memorize, okay? 729. That's 729, okay? There is no smoking in my classroom. There is no smoking in my classroom. What are you, as end of a cigarette butt? I can't say the word because we're on YouTube. But if smoking makes you a cigarette butt, okay? Don't smoke, especially not in my classroom. You get detention. Arrgh! What's the cube root of 27? 3. I'm smart. Okay, but what times itself equals 729? Does anyone know? Yeah, a bundle of sticks. Now let's see. Most of these, honestly, I just had to memorize. That's how I did it in school. But it could help. Yo, I think bolt throwers are fed. Can we time out? This is my classroom. We have to be good in my classroom. Wait, what? Do you guys bite your nails? I'm working on not biting my nails. It's 9, friends. Because 9 times 9 is 81 times 9. 9. This is so messed up. 9, 720. There we go. So most of these... Oh, what happened? There we go. Most of these I just had to memorize. So it's going to be a little difficult at first, but I hope you understand. Oh, I didn't see that, Sassy. You said it. Oh, Aurea And Sassy said it first. You guys are my star students. Good job, friends. Now, if you have a problem like 14 to the third, for instance, all you would have to do would be to multiply 14 by itself 3 times, and then you won't get the answer. So if somebody gives you a problem class and it says, for instance, 25 to the 5th, caret to the 5th, that would mean that you have to do 25 times 25 times 25 times 25 times 25. You know what I mean? So that's how you could easily solve a problem like that. It would be tedious, but that's how you would solve it without a calculator. Now, something fun in math I want to tell you about is the exclamation point symbol. If I say 5, what does that mean? Exclamation points in math mean the number times the numbers counting it down. So what that would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Doesn't times by 0. And I believe that that is 125? 5 times 4 times 3 times 1. Yes! So smart, class. So if I have 2, it would mean 2 times 1. So this is just a fun thing I learned a long time ago in math that can be helpful. Carrie has been a member for 6 months. Wow, it's been that long? Thank you so much, Carrie. My schizophrenia meds are wearing off. Whoa! Oria, Miss Athena, can I make you a Mrs.? That is not appropriate for my Christian classroom, okay? Don't make me become a nun and get this roller out on you, okay? But thank you very much for the donation to get a new Apple for my desk. But I can... No, that is very, very bad. This is a classroom. Very, very bad. But Carrie, thank you so much. I have to update the member stuff to include new... emojis and badges and videos and stuff. So thank you for reminding me too. You have to scream the 5 when there is an exclamation point, Miss Athena. Yes. Also, we got somebody saying Allah Akbar. Assalamu alaikum. So if I have 8, that would mean 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Wow! No, they don't. I'm just saying, like, maybe I should make, like, a thank you video, because I saw this one VTuber, and she has a video. Whoa! What the fudge? You guys are so kind today. What is your favorite prime number, Miss Athena? Oh, man. You know, I might just have to go with lucky 7. But not like an exclusive video, but basically like a thank you video. That's just it. Like, it's not that exciting, but you know, we'll say thank you or something. And I have to fix the emojis, and I have to fix everything. But anyway, this is math class. Do combinations? Oh, is this what you mean? If I have 2 times 5. But Carrie, if your schizophrenia meds are wearing off, maybe I'll I'll take you to the nurse and you can get some pills. But 7, lucky 7. What can I say? Thought she was gonna swear for real. No, I never swear. I'm good. I'm a good Christian. So, 2 times 5 would be 2 times 1. Whoop. 2 times 1. But thank you so much, Carrie and Empress, for becoming Dear Pilled again. So we have 2. 2 times 5 times 4 equals 20. Times 3 is 60. Times 2. 120, my bad, equals 120. Because times 1 is just itself. So we get 2 times 120, which would be 240 as our final answer. Does everybody in the class understand? And that's how we can multiply. I forgot the word for it, but the exclamation point thingies. The wow! Does everybody understand? What I wouldn't give to see Athena play the first FNAF. FNAF, I don't know. Like, it's just a silly Matt Pat jump scare game. Is it actually really that fun? I'll see. For my star student, I'll see. What's your favorite transcendental number? I'm definitely not looking that up right now. Transcendental number. Transcendental number. Oh, E? E? E and pi? Transcendental number is a number that is non-algebraic. That is not the root of a non-zero polynomial or infinite degree with rational coefficients. Best known transcendent numerals are pi and E. I actually like E better than pi. I really like E because... Oh. Okay, I'll do that. Because E is basically a number. Here, I'll give you this if I can remember correctly. E in math is such a cool number. I'm going to spurg out. I'm going to spurg out for this for a minute. E is one of my favorite things in mathematics because if I'm not mistaken, it's like the closest you can go to infinity, and it keeps going on just infinitely. If I'm right about that. So like if I have like 2 to the E, 2 to the power of E, I'm pretty sure that would mean it would just be like 2 to like it would just go on for forever, right? Is that it? E is basically a number that gets as close to infinity as possible. The cool thing about infinity is that like I don't know how to do a symbol about. I don't know how to do the symbol. Kind of pagan anyway, but I like E because I knew about it in 5th grade and my smart friend didn't. Denied its existence. Let me read about E to make it more sense to you. Yeah, E, Euler's number. Mathematical constant appropriate equal to 2.71827, characterized in many ways. But it can be calculated as the sum of the infinite series. Right. Isn't that right? It gets to as close as infinity as possible. And there's an infinite And there's infinite numbers in 1. 1 can actually be 1.0000000 infinite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 goes on forever. 1 can be the biggest number you could imagine. Like, isn't that just crazy? But it would still be, it could go on forever, and 1 in itself could be infinite, but it could still be, could be smaller than 2, because 2 could go on for infinity too. Isn't that crazy? Right? Is this making sense? Is that wrong? It's not an infinitely big as quantity number. Right. It's an infinitely long number. Right. Okay, I got it a little mixed up. Those are my favorite numbers that go on forever. I love that. Just like pi is an infinitely long number. Right. Oh, we might as well do something fun. We might as well talk about I guess since it's closer to the bell ringing, we're just doing some fun math stuff. We might as well go over 0 over 0. What's up, Twilight? The real Twilight Sparkle. Question mark e is significant because it's its own derivative when you take e to the power of x. How can we quantify infinity? Athena, did you know that 0.9 equals 1? Oh, whoa. What infinity is bigger? The numbers between 1 and 2 or all the natural numbers? Oh, man. You guys are making me like excited, but like also a little confused. I only learned a little bit about this, but my math tutor didn't go on about it for very long. Okay. Now, we can't divide 0 by 0. 0 divided by 0 is undefined. Because if we have nothing, for instance, if we have 4 and divide it by 2 quantities, we would have 2 quantities left. But if we have 0 of something, we can't divide it by 0 of other something, which would make it undefined. That's what I learned when I was in math. I don't know if math has changed since now, but that's a fun thing. And they say, oh, your calculator will explode if you put 0 divided by 0 in it. That's what they told me when I was younger. The rational numbers between 1 and 2 are the same cardinality as the natural numbers. No, you're wrong, Archon. It's 15. Or was it 16? I forgot. But yeah, that's so true, Carrie. Right. There's enough numbers between 1 and 2, like 1 point, like forever. Because regular numbers can go on forever too. But real numbers between 1 and 2 are uncountable. So crazy. Anyway, it's a little confusing. Okay, thank you so much, Jill, for being here. Star student. There are math problems that can open wormholes to other dimensions. Well, I'm not sure about that. What should we do now? Oh, man, that was fun. Eighth grade worksheet? Okay, this is a fun problem. Guys, you have to remember, like, I'm a woman. Some of this stuff is a little hard for me. This is a fun problem. We have x. I don't know what this would be considered. I don't know what, I forgot about calc. I don't know what calc. I think I took pre-calc. Just a little bit. Tell me about calc, Sassy. This is fun. If we have x plus 5, I like things like this. If we have x plus 5 over 3 equals 12. This is really fun. I like problems like this. I love stuff with x's. I love algebra stuff. Okay, so here's how you would try to solve this problem. We have to find x. So the first thing we would want to do is get x by itself. Now, we are going to multiply by 3 on both sides. So the 3's cancel out. So we get x plus, oop, that does not look like an x, Miss Athena. X plus 5 equals 36. Then we minus 5 on both sides. Remember, everything you have to do, it has to be done on both sides. So we get x equals 31. Now we have to check our work. We have to plug in. So 31 plus 5, 36. 36 divided by 3, 12. There we go. And that's how you would solve that problem, class. Everybody understand? Calc 1 is limits, derivatives, integral. Calc 2, you use integrals to calculate the area of figure. Athena, teach us about diagonal metrics and how to determine their equation. I don't know if you guys are like goofing or you actually think I know that, but this is maybe math for special kiddos like myself and you guys. This is stuff I know. I thought you guys didn't know PEMDAS, so that's what inspired me to make this stream. So that Carrie actually is the one who inspired me to make this stream. He sent me a math problem, and I was like, oh, I know. Tune in tomorrow when Athena will be teaching us how to do our taxes. No, never, never, never taxes. Never, never classes. Never taxes, never taxes. I hate the IRS. Yeah, Sassy loves calculus. Let's ask the autistic deer about rocket science. Oh, I don't know anything about rockets or not. I don't even know if space is real. How am I supposed to know? Could you do some history? What do you want to know about, like the War of 1812? What would I do? Pythagorean theorem. I'm really bad at geometry, though, is the thing. I mean, I can do quadratic formula. Can do a lot of formula. I can do a lot of formulas. Excuse me, class. Bell. Long class today. I just kind of looked up like math riddles. Oh, okay, here's a math riddle class. 10 fish are in a tank. Athena's a flat earther base. No. I know space is there, but I don't know like if all the planets in space are real or not. It's just a squared plus b squared is c squared, though. Yeah, but like it deals with triangle. We'll explain this to you, and then we'll do math riddles. Okay. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. But this is mostly when you do geometry and you plug in your thing. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm bad at geometry class. I'm sorry. This is not geometry. This is like this is what was it called? When I was in Catholic high school, they didn't call it special ed. It was called like special angels or something. It was called like special angels or something for the girls that needed a little extra help. You guys are my special angels. Miss Athena, you can look in a telescope and see like 7 of the planets with your naked eye. You're right. But like all that stuff, and it's like, oh, there's a billion planets. Is that really cute? Is that really real? Special angels is so cute. I know, right? I was just in advanced or honors. My bad. Honors. I never took AP because I knew AP would be a waste of time now. And let's learn something fun, class. If we have a number to the 0 power, if we have 2 to the power of 0, we can observe those exoplanets as well. We can? I don't know. I feel like there's something fishy about space, though. Something about space makes me feel a little fishy. Miss Athena, were you in the special angels class? No, I was in honors. But class, I have a confession. Will you be my? Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Never mind. Look. I'll say it. I'll just say it. Have any of you guys ever cheated on a test before? Just honestly, like maybe you had like a little note that had a formula on it or something. I'm very curious. What's up, Jem? My elementary school drilled in that PEMDAS meant multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Bad teachers if many people think it's the order. Yeah, it can be whatever comes first. You said this before? Oh, I said okay. I would never, no, never. I did. Teacher saw and took my test away. Dang. I remember, yes, and I regret it. Not exactly, since I was in a special homeroom that has kids who are autistic like me. I remember once I brought in my, so like we had to wear those like Catholic skirts, and there was a pocket in it. And I remember, this is so messed up. Don't worry, I've repented. Don't be like me. Well, past me. Don't be like past me. I brought a little note that had like some of the formulas on it that I would like sneak a peek just in case. Just in case. I feel so bad saying that, but really it was the teacher's fault because they weren't accommodating me at all. They weren't helping me. So but when I was homeschooled and had a one-on-one tutor, I definitely learned a lot and I did not cheat. But yeah. Oh, but I think everybody cheats on their homework. I think everybody uses calculators on their homework and stuff. Pretty sure everybody does. But if we have a number to the power of 0, that would be 1. I'm not sure I know the reason why it's 1, but that's just a fun math fact that everything to the power of 0 is 1. Athena, are you a heliocentrist or a geocentrist? Let's look those up. You guys can get some keyboard ASMR. Heliocentrist. Heliocentralism is the astronomical model in which the Earth and its planets revolve around the Sun in the center of the universe. Heliocentralism was opposed to geocentralism, which placed the Earth at the center. Do I think the Earth is at the center of the universe? I don't know, actually. I mean, I don't know one way or another. I've never been to space. I don't know what the Bible says about it. I don't know anything about space, but space is sus to me. I feel like there's something sus about space, but I can't figure out what it is. Geocentralism is true, by the way. I don't know which one is true, guys. This isn't a science class. This is a math class. I'm bad at that. I don't know. Is Earth in the center? I don't know. No. Earth can't be in the center because what was that thing you learned in school? And it's like, I want a pizza slice or something. My mother made pizza or something about the planet order acronym. Yeah, my very eager mother just served us 9 pizzas. That's what I learned in science class, that the Earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system. So, I don't know. The Earth orbits the sun, Athena. Okay, I'm sorry, class. I don't know. You can prove geocentralism with the linear algebra. Guys, I'm confused. Oh, excuse me. And by the way, guys, Pluto is a planet. I'm just saying it there. Okay. So, it says Galileo discovered evidence to support the heliocentric theory when he observed 4 moons in orbit around Jupiter. Well, how would eclipses happen if geocentralism happened? In any case, not even scientists could support heliocentralism because of lay relativity theory. I don't know. It says Galileo. Is heliocentric correct? It says the theory was largely correct. If the theory is largely correct, what about it was incorrect? This is confusing. Astronomy 101. I don't know. I don't want to take astronomy. The planets are sus to me. I don't care about those planets. Pluto gang. Pluto isn't a planet. Then we'd have to start making large moons planet. Good. Make them planets. Earth orbits the sun. Okay. What if we like fly into the sun? You know who forced the heel? Oh gosh, I don't know. Guys, this is math class! This is math class, everybody. Galileo was before relativity. Oh, okay. I honestly don't know what we're talking about at all, guys. I don't know what we're talking about at all. So, everybody just be good, please. Anyway. What should we do next? How about we do a couple more fun math riddles? How about that? Math riddles for smart kids. Can I learn math, please? I'm failing linear algebra. We did that earlier. But we'll do another thing like that. Okay. This one says, okay. Whoop. Okay, we'll do another fun riddle problem. This one says, you can just imagine these are fruits because I don't know how to import the image. So we have 3 bananas equals 45. So x plus, x plus x plus x equals 45. Y plus y plus x equals 23. Z, huh? Uno momento. Y plus Z plus Z equals 10 Z plus Y plus Y times X equals question mark. All right, this is another problem like the Athena Fumo problem that we're going to solve. So the first problem, pretty simple. We have 3 x's. 3x equals 45. If we divide by 3 on both sides, we get x equals 15. Everybody understand? Next we have y plus x equals 23. Y plus y plus 15 equals 23. 2y plus 15 equals 23. We minus 15 on both sides, to start to get 2y by itself. 2y equals 8. Divide by 2 on both sides, y equals 4. Everybody understand? Z plus y, 4, plus y, 4, times, wait, did we already do z? Huh? Oh, silly me, we skipped the third one. Okay. Y is 4. 4 plus 2z equals 10. Minus 4 on both sides, 2z equals 6. Divide by 2, z equals 3. Let's see if you guys are doing it. Wow, you guys are doing good. You guys are getting it all right too. Now we have 3 plus 4 times x 15 equals what? Now the first thing we're going to do with PEMDAS is multiplication or division, whichever comes first. That would be multiplication. 3 plus 4 plus 15 times 4. Everybody understand how we got that? 15 times 4, my bad, which is 60. Now we just do addition from left to right, although it doesn't really matter. You could do this in any way now. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 60 equals 67. Yay! Did you all get it right? Let's see how you guys did. Did everybody get that right? That whispering was good ASMR. Oh, I wasn't even intending to do ASMR. Did you guys get it right? Did you guys like that? That one was fun. I like ones like that. See, these are the stuff I'm good at. I'm good at these kind of stuff. I'm good at this stuff. The other ones, maybe not so much. But how did you all do on that? I'm very interested. Wow, class is almost over. What? Dang it. I wanted to do another one. I think we have time for one more problem. It's almost been 2 hours, 30 minutes. But let me know if you guys want me to do anything else in class. I only like solving for the variables, Mrs. Athena. Well, I'm not Mrs. Athena, I'm not Mrs. Athena yet. You have to call me Miss Athena. But same, I like solving for variables too. Solving for variables is my favorite things. Other stuff, not so much. But let's see, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, that's 2 hours. And oh, you know what I should teach you? You know what I should teach you guys? How to tell time. Because I forgot which one of you was it, but one of you students honestly flabbergasted me when you said that you don't know how to read a real clock and you could only tell time on digital. I was absolutely flabbergasted. It made me absolutely, honestly, it made me a little cuckoo. So we're going to get a clock. I'm going to get a photo of a clock. Or I could just draw one. We'll just draw one. So I'm going to teach you all how to tell time. Okay. Ugh, maybe I should just get a photo of a clock. The scrunkly. What the heck is a scrunkly? Is that Bingus, right? Bingus is a little scrunkly or whatever, right? All right, hold on. I'm getting this clock. Okay. All right, hold on, class. Miss Athena needs to figure out technology. Whoa, that is a big clock. That is a very big clock. Wow. Okay, let me make this smaller. I didn't know it was going to be so big. There we go. Okay. Can you do an English class one day, Athena? Miss Athena, Roland. But what would you want me to do? What would you want me to do? Just like read a book or grammar? Oh, grammar. That'd be fun. Oh, Athena doesn't know the scrunkly? My beloved scrunkly? We'll do military time too after this. Scrunkly. Is this appropriate? Let me Google this. Scrunkly. The scrunkly. What the heck is this? Ew! What the heck is this? This raccoon, and then we have this cat that looks like he's on heroin or something. What the heck is the scrunkly? Oh, the scrunkly. What is this? Yeah, we can learn adverbs too. Okay. So, how do you tell time? I'll let you know. There's AM and there's PM. AM is midnight through lunch. PM is lunch through end of midnight. Beginning of midnight. Okay, so 12 is somebody's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12 hours in the day times that by 2, 24 hours in a day. So it could be either 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. Now, this tiny hand tells you the hour. So if the tiny hand is pointing to the 10, that means that it is currently 10. Now, this is where it can be a little bit tricky for some people. Hour is 60 minutes, and these are divided into 5. So we would have 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 an hour. So that's what we would get, okay? So if it's 10, right? Smaller hand is pointing on the 10. And the bigger hand, we'll get to this super big hand in a second. But this hand is pointing on the 2. That means, let's see, 0, 5, 10. That means it's 10, 10. Could be AM or PM, we don't know. And then this, I don't, this isn't on most clocks. This is the second. So it would tell you what second you're on, like how much of the minute is passing. So let me know what time it is where you guys are. 1:15 CST, 2016, 0016, midnight, 2 past 10 here. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for being here. No, this is the biggest, the one that tells the second is not on most clocks. And now we're going to learn military time. This is actually what I have on my phone. So, for instance, my phone now says it is. Let me know. Press 1 in the chat if you have military time on your phone. 1917 is currently this. Now, there are 24 hours in a day. And we are at the, dang, we're at the 19th hour already? So, if you want to know what hour that is, well, first of all, in AM, PM, I guess, quote-unquote, American, right? We would have to minus 12 from it. So, we would get 7, 17, and 19 is past 12, so it would be 7:17 p.m. EST. And that is very simple how you tell military time. If you want to tell military time, just add 12 to the front number and get rid of the PM AM. So that's how you would tell time. Why ever use PM AM on a digital clock? I think that's on most people's digital clocks nowadays, but you might be right. Oh, why are you showing this to us, Athena? Because one of you, I forgot which one of you, told me you didn't even know how to tell time on a regular clock, okay? So this is why I'm doing it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Did you know that the clock system of adding a minute every 60 seconds came from the way Babylonians count? They counted from 0 to 60 instead of 0 to 100. Thank you so much for letting me know that fun fact, Prentice. You get a little star sticker. 1, I work at McDonald's and they use military time for one reason. Ah, I see. Point of PEMDAS is like the thing in the thumbnail, Wacky, so we know how to do the order of operations correctly. No, the biggest is the minute one, not the second hand. The second hand is on the clocks normally. Miss Athena, I don't know what you're talking about, Miss Athena. I think you're goofing with me. I think you're goofing with me. Because I was right about the clock, I'm pretty sure. And what's up, son? You did miss. Teach Roman numerals. Teach Roman numerals? Everybody wants me to teach Roman numerals? Okay, I don't actually know how to type them out, but okay. I guess they do this for the Super Bowl for normies. I don't know where else they use them, but we have a capital I is 1. A V, okay, everybody wants me to teach this, so we'll do this. A V equals 5, and an X equals 10. I'm pretty sure you use math at work, Rocky. It's the whole reason why you can do roads is because somebody has calculated a mathematical equation for you to do so. So we're going to start with these because something is very interesting. Let's say I want to do 9. You would make it X1 X. Now, why isn't it just 5 and then 4 of these ones? Because 10 minus 1 to the front to show minus, if it was x1, that would be 11, is going to be 9. Does everybody understand that? So show up. There we go. To be honest, most math is super relevant in general life, even including most economics or statistics. Miss Athena, you are not right. Miss Athena, okay, hold on. Okay, let me post the clock again. This is why is the clock so big? Okay. Oria thinks I'm wrong, but I think I'm correct. Let me point. This is the hour hand. This is the minute hand. This is the second hand. He said I mixed up the second and the minute hand. I don't think so, dude. Right? I'm correct. Smallest is hour, bigger is minute, biggest is second, right? What is 4? 4 would be 1, 5, or IV. Biggest cope is thinking math isn't fun or important. Yes, now you're right, but you messed it up earlier. I'm pretty sure that's what I said earlier. Are you gaslighting me? 4 would be 1, 5 instead of 4 1s, because I guess it's less to right. Yeah, you're right, Athena. Maybe longer is a better word. Okay. But honestly, guys, this is all I was taught in Roman numerals. Do you know what the D is? I don't know what the D is. Let me look that up. Is it, I feel like M is 100, right? Roman numeral D. 500? Dang. How am I supposed to know Roman numerals? I never learned this in math. Okay. L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1,000. Okay. So, how would we write 2,000? 2M, or would it be MM? MM 2000 MMXX II? Is that what it'd be? MMXXII for 2022? Right? I really hope I got that right, because I would sound super smart. Oh! I got it right! Yeah! No, don't worry, Kay. We're almost done class. Goes up to 3, right? Aye, Captain. It would be MM. I said MM! I said MM! I said MMM! MMM! I said MM! Yeah, it goes up to 3, and then if you want it to be 4, it's 1 IV. Romans were so silly, lol. Oh, silly Romans. And didn't we watch that? Weren't they like not Christian though? That's kind of bad. Okay, there we go. I'm glad we learned a lot today. Wow, I actually learned a lot. You guys taught me a lot, and I hope I could teach you guys a lot too. I really learned a lot. I learned a lot of big words that you guys typed, and I learned a lot of new things, and I hope you guys learned a lot of new things too. I hope you guys I hope you had fun in my class, everybody. And even if I wasn't the smartest math teacher. Romans were Christian? But I thought, like, they all had, like... How do I say this? They did a lot of bad, naughty things with each other, and then, like, the empire fell, I thought. So I don't know if that's very Christian. Go stream Athena. Oh, thank you. Miss Athena, did you know that the Romans... Yeah, that's what I kind of thought. The Romans who created Roman numerals were not Christian. Yeah, why is Carrie saying Romans are Christian? I definitely thought they were not Christian. But thank you, everybody, so much for coming to my class. Most of you were super good, and you do not get detention. But some of you, some Romans were bad, some weren't, just like Americans. Okay, American history teachers at work. Look, all I know... Literally, all I remember about American history, I'm just telling you what they taught me when I was in school in America, was War of 1812. I didn't even learn World War I until college, Homeland Security for some reason. I'm not a Fed, but I was considering going into the Feds, but now I just like the government. 1812, Holocaust, Pearl Harbor, 9/11, stole the Native Americans' land, Thanksgiving, Louisiana Purchase, Oregon Trail, pyramids, nomadic tribes. Okay, somebody, wacky, that's true, but your comment is very unoptical. Somebody's got to delete that. Emu War in Australia. Yeah. That's all they really taught me, okay? They converted to Christianity. Romans started to slowly become Christian en masse by Constantine's reign. All I know is 1492, okay? Pyramids for America, the best Photoshop. Oh no, I'm just talking about history in general. Oh my gosh, yeah. I fall asleep to like documentaries about the pyramids and stuff. I really like the pyramids, but I fall asleep to them. But if you asked me, to tell like a fun fact about the pyramids, I actually don't know anything. I always fall asleep to them, but I think they're cool. Athena Fed being well, don't worry, I'm not a Fed. When I was in community college, I did want to go into Homeland Security though, because I thought it would be cool. I thought I could be like a cool like agent, like a hacker agent, like white. I could be like a white hat. I could like protect America and stuff, but little did I know, little did I know. And then they were like, I remember we had to do like a test about 9/11, and it was like, I was like, wait a minute, like it was like super like definitely not an inside job. It's like, it's literally, Homeland Security is literally like what happened in DocSax, why they filmed UNATCO. It's literally why they formed Homeland Security. I just thought it was, yeah, like a nano augmentated agent. Exactly. I also had the hacker fantasies, yeah. Oh yeah, I would fantasize about that a lot. I would love to, I don't even know anything about technology, but I would love to just pretend to hack into computers and everything. For some reason, I was picturing Athena going into college post 9/11, even though we're the same age. You mean pre 9/11? Well, I don't know what you're talking about. But anyway, the bell dismisses you. But if you want to chat with me for a little bit, I'm gonna go in like probably like 3 minutes or so. But I'm enjoying talking to you all. But I had a really nice time, and I hope at least one of you learned maybe just a little something. I definitely learned a lot from all of you. And, you know, some of you were very rowdy. Some of you get detention. But most of you were good. And most of you get some stickers. Peanut was born in the 70s. Spent the entire stream making a dumb meme. You weren't paying attention? What the heck? Dawn, do I have to give you detention? You guys were playing Clash of Clans on your phone, making memes. I meant Athena being so shocked and angered by 9/11 that she volunteered for Homeland Security. Oh! I remember, did they do this in America? Literally, when I was like in 3rd grade, they made us watch like videos of like guys falling to their death on 9/11. And I remember I would cry. And it was like, why did they do that? They just showed me they got the big VHS TV. I don't even know how they got the tape. They got this tape, they put it in, and they were like, today we're going to be learning about 9/11 class. And then they just showed this guy like killing himself, jumping out of a building, and then we see like a bunch of like blood everywhere, and like I'm only in 3rd grade. I'm like, what the heck? What is happening? I remember crying and saying, "Mommy!" or whatever, you know. And then the teacher like acted like nothing happened. I was like, what happened? I was so innocent. They ruined me. To traumatize the youth. Indoctrination through traumatization. Hey, that rhymes. That could be like a metal band or something. But yeah, that's definitely true. Indoctrination through traumatization. Dude, that sounds like such a cool metal album cover. but it is true, sadly. Yeah, homeschool kids. I had a similar experience in 3rd grade, but instead of crying, I got mad. They made us watch God Bless the USA music video. Math is, actually just algebra. I love algebra. That's the most fun I had with today is algebra. Athena opens the Windows command prompt and types color 2 to pretend to be a hacker. I actually don't know what that does. What does that do? Let's check this out. Oh, yeah, I totally forgot about 1776 and founding of America and American history. Yeah, we touched on that. Yeah. But anyway, hope everybody had a fantastic time learning math today. And I had a really nice time. And thank you, class, for being so good. And let me get, hold on. Star student. I remember when I was in math and I did well, they would give us, hold on. They would give us like scratch and sniff stickers. Those were the best. All right. Here you go. This is for everybody that behaved during class. You are my star student, and you do not get the ruler. Wow, you are my star student. Thank you so much for learning math today. I sure had a fun time. So true, son. But thank you, everybody, so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. I really did have a fun stream. I definitely learned a lot, and unironically, I hope I could help you guys with a lot. You wanted orange? I'm sorry, you get lemon lime. I'm sorry, you get lemon lime for now. But you guys are my star students, and I hope you have a great day. And thank you, Professor. Professor? What am I, a college teacher now? Professor Athena. That sounds like, that's such a boomer thing. Teacher Athena. Miss Bambina, no problem. Maybe I'll do English next, but I had a fantastic day, and thank you so much, everybody, for being here. Let's say a quick prayer. In the name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with a very fun stream where I learned and no demons harmed us, and we learned. We love you, O Lord, and thank you for blessing us with food, water, shelter, and fellowship, and good health, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Amen. And Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Miss Athena, that sticker isn't a star. I'm disappointed. Okay. Hold on. Hold on now. Is this what you want? this what you want? Whoa, that is huge. Okay, that just took up the entire screen. There. Is that what you wanted? Is that what you wanted? There you go. Star student. Is that better? You are so smart. Fun as always, Miss Athena. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Okay. I hope everybody had a nice time, and the bell dismisses you. Thank you. Come to class again tomorrow for another sticker. Bye-bye. Miss Athena, the biggest star there is. Oh, I hope you're not just saying that to get good grades. Thank you so much. I feel very honored and blessed. I'm very blessed to have you be here. Really, you don't know how much it means that you guys show up and watch. Oh, thunder! Woo, that scared me. Emotional crying moment, and then there's thunder. You guys really don't know how much it means to me that you watch me and you're my friend and I can help you. So thank you so much, and God bless you, everybody. And I hope you have a fantastic night. Goodbye.